Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert multiple columns of table in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Google Docs tab. Then go to the insert menu. Simply you can insert table. Then click the table and press right click on your mouse and click insert column left. You can insert column or right. Again click the table and press right click on your mouse and click insert column right. Here we can see insert multiple columns of table in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.